Skustack now offers you a cross-dock feature for even faster fulfillment. What is cross-docking? Cross-docking is a system that lets you receive items in your warehouse and immediately load them for shipping. Cross-docking eliminates the need to hold inventory and reduces delivery time, making your job easier and your customers happier. All you need to do is enter a picklist ID on a PO into the system to pick items as you receive them. To use the cross-dock functionality, you need to first go into Settings. Choose Warehouse Management and enter your security PIN. Scroll to the end and click the box for backorder picking. Then you'll need to go to the Receiving tab and click the Receive PO search icon. Enter the purchase order number and the system will fetch your PO. Click the Picklist icon on top. Click Find Picklist and select your picklist. Save your backorder picklist. Quickly scan your products with your scanner or phone camera. Select your bin and receive your product.